Hello guys, in this video we are going to know how to use the 7-segment LED display with Arduino. So let's start. So for this project, these are the materials that we need to use. We need to have the Arduino Uno, a 7-segment Common-Cathode LED display, 8 pieces 200 ohms resistor, jumper wires, and breadboard. So for the pin configuration of our LED display, in this project we are going to use the 5161AS Common-Cathode display, and this is the configuration of its pin. So we can see here the pin number, and then the segment which it corresponds. So it is the segments are denoted by letters from A to G, and then here it is the arrangement of the pin. So we can see here on the bottom side the pin numbers 1 to 5, and then on the upper side the pin numbers 6 to 10. So this is the Arduino code for our LED display. So our project is going to be a counter from 0 to 9. So here on the top section we declared our variables. We have A segment, B segment, up to G segment, and then the decimal point segment. So the A segment corresponds to pin number 8 of our Arduino, and then the B segment to 9, and so on. So here on the void setup, we declared the pin mode of our segments. So we stated that these segments are all output. Then in the void loop, we called our functions from 1 to 0. So we set a delay of 1 second for each function. So here are our functions. So we have here the function 1, which is going to display the number 1 on our LED display. So we are going to set the segments B and C to high to show the number 1. And then for number 2, we set the pin segments A, B, D, E, and G to show the number 2, and so on. So we have functions 1 to 0. So this this code will be included in our description, so you just can download it from the description. So this is the connection diagram for our project. So we can see here on the left side we have the Arduino Uno, and on the right side we have the 7-segment display. So we can see that the middle pins, the pins number 8 and 3, are connected to the Arduino ground, and we have here the pins for the segments. So we have here the A, B, and G and F segments connected to 9, 8, 7, 6 pins of the Arduino Uno. So we can see also that we have here, we just added some limiting resistor here before the segment pins. So just follow this connection diagram as you build up your circuit. So this is the final look of our project. So we can see here the LED display, and here is the Arduino, and we use jumper wires to connect the pins of the LED display to the Arduino, and also we have some limiting resistors, and just upload the Arduino code that we have earlier to this Arduino, and then we can see the output.